Hello guys, are you tired of having your boot lid hitting your head? Jesus. You just have to change these struts here and the job is done, right? Yes, right, but hold on to something. These struts here are from factory, these ones are original from factory, and they are here for about 15 years. This is the first time that I'm changing these struts. The symptom is the boot lid does not hold itself on the upper position. I have to force it a little bit, and now she stays there. This is happening for about a year or so, and now I use my boot a bit more because of the baby car, and well, I want to resolve this. So I bought the original struts for this car. They are still available, and they are not cheap. Yes, they are not cheap, but they will last me at least 14-15 years like those did. If you don't want to do that, or if they are not available for your car, for example, there are some things that you have to have in mind. Always buy or try to buy quality parts. The first thing that you have to have in mind here is the force. This 620N here is the newtons, is the force of this strut. If you have a stronger strut, for example, you can have a very rapid rise of the boot lid and cause damage on the hinges, for example. Or if you don't have on the new struts that the last centimeters of travel of the strut must be very smooth. Some struts don't have that by design or for some strange decision that I don't understand. So this is not hard to change, but I will anyway. We are here. I will show you how to change this. It is very easy. Just have to have just a tip or two about the lubricants, for example. Yes, we have to lubricate this, and let's do it. This is the original strut for the boot lid for my car. I have here the part number if you want to see on there, if you can find. I bought it on my dealer, locally. I have here the part number again, okay. And let's open it. It is still closed. Let's do a little bit of an unboxing, if I may call it that. It's not wanting to open, so a bit of persuasion. Okay, I think it's enough. So you want to see the condition. Okay, it's the humidity around here. Also, right now you want to see one thing inside here. Inside there, I don't think you can see it. It has a little bit of grease. That is very important. I don't have to grease it. And the grease that it has inside here has to be specific for work with plastics, like I told you on so many other videos. You can see shining in there, okay? On the other side, same thing, a bit of grease. Okay, I'm hoping you can see that. And now, okay, the supplier, this brand here. If you try to purchase this brand without being original, the end result may be different because this is supplied for the Fiat group. So the finishing and the quality is above normal. So I have here the 620N newtons. And let's see on the car if the measurements are the same. Okay, so let's go to the car. First thing you have to do is to make sure to have a stick or another person to hold on to the boot lid, because as you are taking off this strut, the boot will fall, of course. And once you have that secure, you want to take out this metal. I call it a spring, but it is not a spring. In Portuguese, it's translated to spring. Take out this tab. This clip, retaining clip, I think that is the proper name. You can take it out only on one side. Okay, now on the other side, gently pry it off like this, and it's out. And now clean very well these balls, these spheres, because you have that new grease that cannot be contaminated by old one. You can do some extra cleaning here. Take your time, do things with time, with patience. Okay? And not with paper. This is not really good for this, but as long as it is clean, I'm happy. On the bottom side, clean out everything. I'm holding with my left hand the boot lid. You can probably feel the vibration on camera. Hold on to the other strut. I already compared the two. They are the same size, and now you don't have to take out anything. You just have to, let me see here if I can do it like this. Okay, on the bottom side, and voila. Now I'll do the other side, and it's done. Let's give it a go. Open. If your boot don't open as much as this one, I have a video, I'll leave the description here on top and on the bottom, for adjusting some parts on the boot. And here it goes, slowly but surely. Okay, perfect, awesome. Next, I have two quick tips for these struts. You don't want to miss that, but before that, I want to ask you for, please consider subscribe, hit the like button, and share with your friends. Also, on the description below, there is a lot of information that can be useful for you. And yes, you can also hit the bell icon. First tip is, you may be tempted to lubricate this shaft here. Don't do it, or if you want to do it, please remember my video about the clutch pedal. There is some sealants inside here. If you use not proper greases for this, you will damage those sealants. And the worst of all, some sand and debris can be on this shaft, and that sand and debris will enter this part of the strut, and once again, the sealants will corrode, will tear. So you have a new or old strut that is in fact garbage. The second tip that I have for you is, in some cars, this not so much, but on some cars the strut is more like in here, and sometimes you have the need or the curiosity to see if the boot lid or the bonnet will close if you pull on this strut. Don't do that, because if you do that, it will bend immediately, and then, well, you have to buy a new one, okay? See you next time. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Bye.